Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check call forwarding on your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So guys, you can check call forwarding on your Android phone using the phone app. Open the phone app like here. Tap the dialer icon at the bottom of the screen. Dial the code star hash 21 hash. And this will show you if forwarding is enabled. You can see not forwarded, not forwarded. So here you can see that call forwarding on my Android phone is not enabled. So this is how you can easily check your call forwarding sections. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.